Right, so we just arrived to Ahmedabad and it's 4 o'clock in the morning and we're having chai. Because it's like you can't find anything to eat and I'm like starving right now. But luckily we just found chai wala and we're having some biscuits. So it's cold here. So it's 4 o'clock and now we're leaving for what's this place called? Yeah. So we're gonna stay
200 kilometers from here.
Yeah.
So it might take
So
3 or 4 hours.
3 hours. And we haven't slept yet. Right guys, so this is the entrance for the tent city for where we are gonna stay for the night and so that's the luggage. It's still here. They haven't come yet. The room's not yet ready actually. So yeah, this is the place. हाँ लेके जाइए ना आप प्लीज. Right guys, so this is the tent. And I love this. So this is the place. There's the bed. It's really warm here and really nice. This toilet. I really love this. I look retarded actually. Just got it from the flight. And after like 4 hours of road journey, here we are finally. Hey guys, so it's 12:30 to 1 o'clock actually, and now we're leaving to have food and it's really sunny right now. We expected it would be cold, but it's not. It's really hot. So I have no idea where are we supposed to go and eat. I think I'll have to find it. So this is the place to eat. It's really nice. It's a big tent. Hi. That's only veg. Right, so we just halt here and look at this. Alright, now I'm gonna show you something. From here you can actually see. Can you see? You see right there? This monkey. I'm really scared because they snatch your phone like that.
Oh, huge है ये तो.
runaways, run, run, renegades, run to get away. And we just run because we ain't giving it up.
Alright, so now we're leaving for the laser light show, which is gonna happen there at the statue itself. So we have to walk now. I don't like walking, to be honest. So like, what the timing is exactly
So,
for this laser light show?
this told
What's the time right now? What's the time?
6:45. 6:30.
So I guess 7, approximately by 7:30, I guess the laser light show will start. Thank you. It's really nice. Hey guys, good morning. It's 8:30 in the morning and we just had a breakfast. Now we're heading to the Statue of Unity. So we're gonna go early because we have to take the tickets of that, because actually last night we tried to get the tickets but it got sold out, and the guy who was supplying the tickets, he actually went back to his home or something. We're going now. Like it's approximately 9 or 9:30. The ticket counter is gonna open and we're gonna take the tickets and we're gonna go to the Statue of Unity. Let's see you there.
Nowhere could stay. Tick tock, waiting all my life for you to feel my situation, baby. Tick tock, waiting all my life for you to feel my situation, baby. I fell in the water, it was colder than I'd ever felt before. You say I don't want you, but I want you. I need something to hold. I don't know where I went wrong. I just wanna get along.
Oh my god, so huge. Look at the view. This is nothing. I just imagining what you will be from there. From his heart, there's just a gallery view.
Tick tock, waiting all my life for you to feel my situation, baby. Tick tock.
Oh my god. It's so huge. And finally reached the top. This is massive. God. Right, now we're gonna go inside.
Love is really powerful. Oh, it'll tear to the bone. better off without me. Tick tock, waiting all my life for you to feel my situation, baby. Tick tock, waiting all my life for you to feel my situation, baby.
They have made like two pillars there. So they started on these two pillars, and then they put on these bronze pieces, like 1,000 of them, and then they stopped it.
From the night, woke to find dry bones, held too tight, gave no time to let go. If I need you to hold on, need you to hold on. Am I asking too much?
Hey guys, so it's 5 o'clock right now, and my flight got delayed. We have reached airport about 2:33 or something, and we are waiting here since an hour now. So what happened? I actually like when I went to the airport and I met friends. Okay, so what happened? Before entering the airport, we had to show the ID card, right? So and I was like, I didn't have any ID, nothing, like no ID proof with me. Actually what happened, it was in my another wallet and I literally forgot to take that thing. So we spoke to the person who was checking at the entrance for the security. So I went and I spoke to him that I asked him that I have forgotten my wallet and the ID was inside that wallet. So I have the picture with me. So is it okay if I show you the picture in my phone? So he said, yeah, okay. So the security guy, I spoke to him, and before I showed him the picture of my Aadhaar card photo, the security guy, he went somewhere and one lady came. And the lady was actually very rude, like I asked her, I spoke to her like this is there. I don't have my wallet, I don't have the ID card to show you. So she's like, no, it won't work, you have to get your ID card. She was literally sending me back. And then I luckily found that guy, that security guy, and I asked him that he said it's okay, you can show the picture, and then they allowed me inside. It was not the end of it. So I was really scared because after checking the bag checking, they will ask your ID proof and all stuff. But luckily, he had the boarding passes already. So luckily, we didn't have to wait in the queue for the verification and all stuff, and I got saved. So what next happened was, I was really scared because while coming back, obviously in Ahmedabad airport, they will ask me my ID proof. What we did was, we went to a local, when we were in city, Ahmedabad city, we went to this Xerox shop. I got my Aadhaar card from online, I downloaded it, printed on a paper, and I laminated it. So yeah, I got my ID proof there. It's 5:30 already, like seriously, we are waiting since 3:30, 4 o'clock. More than an hour now, and I'm tired, I'm sleepy, and I have to, and it's Monday tomorrow, and I have to go for work. I hope I travel more and I make more vlogs like these, and you'll enjoy. Bye.
You know that I want you so bad. Remember the sun and the beach right outside. Took a little time, here we go again. You know I'll always stay. Every little thing that I said I would do, how I wish I could share it with you. You